finally, another Plymouth video. The rat is in the video. This video might be a little short, but we'll be back to normal this coming week. So I hope you enjoy. We get some welding done. All right, I know everybody's been wondering where this car has been, and I apologize. I know I haven't worked on it in a few weeks, haven't posted a video on it in a few weeks, but an economy car popped up locally and I needed to spend a little time on it to get it ready for the road. It's just one of those crazy things where everything kind of stacked up. Nothing really worked out in the last few weeks, but we're out of that mess now. We're on to nice bright horizons. The tempo project is done. I can register that next week and I'll save a lot of money on gas because I won't be driving a gigantic Dodge pickup truck. So maybe that'll allow more fundage to go into this. There's never enough funds for something like this. But I am rejuvenated, not only with this project. The tempo project did really well on YouTube. Part 1 did anyway. That rejuvenated me. I believe it broke me out into a little bit of a wider audience, which is awesome, because you're always looking for more folks to watch and support your madness. I just want to clear this thing off real quick and blow some of the dust off of it. I've been doing a lot of body work on that Lincoln project, which you'll see that soon too. Part 1 I've edited most of, and I've uploaded it as a preview for my members, channel members, as well as I believe I uploaded the 61 Cadillac preview for the channel members. So if you're a member, you get to see unfinished videos as I'm editing them, because they might not be out for a few weeks, but you get to see like a little bonus preview of how far I've gotten so far. I should be able to do probably 1 or 2 of those a week, depending on how much little stuff I get done around the shop. I think what I'm going to do today is, I don't have a whole bunch of time. It's Sunday afternoon, actually. I worked yesterday and I worked all last week. I've been working a lot. I've been working pretty much every weekend trying to get things done. I'm trying to gear up for things that are, well, new things that are happening. So I think we'll just get some welding done, but I gotta get this tire off. I don't want to wreck my tire with welding splatter. There we go. Beautiful. We should make some good progress. Getting a little welding done won't hurt us. Go ahead and get the tail light trim back off. I'll probably clean it up before I put it back on this go round. I think I need a regular screwdriver. A little dirty in there. Boop. Get that all tacked up and cleaned up. Should probably go ahead and take the other one out too. If I'm going to clean them up, clean them both up. Just wanted to pin that kind of up out of the way there. It's going to be a big gap, but I'll be able to weld it up. I'm going to get this surface area cleaned up a little bit. Surface so I have something good to weld to, and then I'm just gonna weld on this quarter panel for a little while, and we'll chit chat. We'll catch up on progress or lack of progress on this one, I guess. That'll be a good start. Let's drag the welder over here. I need to get my gloves and sleeves on so I don't burn myself up. I was just trying to jump right into it though. All right, I got a lot of the welding done on this quarter panel. Now I'm with the wire wheel to clean it up a little bit and follow that up with the grinder to level it out. And I'm not sure if I have any more red primer left in a can. Let's go look. We got a little something done today. It wasn't completely necessary, but it was work and it was kind of fun. And it was something I was putting off. I got a couple more pinholes I gotta do this back here, but all in all, I'm okay with this. I feel like that's something we accomplished today. Again, I would apologize for the shorter video and making you wait so long for a video. It's just how it all worked out, unfortunately, but like I said, we will be back to normal. Let's go ahead and we'll thank our channel members and we will get out of here. Until next time. We got, everybody's up to like 5 months, 3 months, 4 months. We got a 6 months. It's getting crazy, but we got Bluegrass Rust and Revamp, Fubar Model Yard, Hell's Dam, George Faber, Joe Francis, Mark Murphy, Raymond D, Z-Man. I think Z-Man changed his name. I have to fix that. Gen X Rising, Ben Johnson, Carl Coffrin, Josh Long, Sly Guy 2000, Terry Dooling, Craig Allen, Martin Kitska, Stinkbug and Draven League, Fried Pig Nipples, Morgan Lagai, 57 Savoy Fins, Ken Hoggard, Greg Lagasse Sr., A Bloke, Robert Lepanto, Lonnie Moore, and Moomster.